This 2017 Grand Design Momentum 327M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 7, awning, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, oven, external shower, spare tire kit, air conditioning, DVD player, refrigerator, and 117 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Grand Design Momentum 327M is 11,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.